Hello, I'm Josh Endler with SouthGate Companies. We're here at the Northgate Soil Decompaction Research Project site in Iowa City, Iowa. And our effort here is try to test various decompaction methods over the course of time to try to simulate the efforts that we can employ as developers on the large scale to decompact the soil, as well as home builders on a small site scale in the various methods in the Iowa Stormwater Manual to decompact the subsurface and then amend the topsoil on the surface, or supplement the topsoil if need be.
So we first off collected soil samples from all of the different plots and have those analyzed for typical soil parameters such as your nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, but also we had soil organic matter content too, which is important for assessing soil quality to know how much soil organic matter has the ability to soak up a lot of water and make nutrients relatively available to plants and keeps the soil loose so we can improve infiltration rates, have less runoff from the soils. We will also collect samples for bulk density. Take a look at differences in soil compaction between the different plots, but also between the surface soils and the subsurface soils. And then we will also be monitoring infiltration rates being important, so we know and compare the different plot treatments. How fast does the water enter the soil surface, infiltrate? How fast or how long does it take until runoff occurs as well?
So we've got 5 different sites. This is a research study, so we've got triplicate efforts of all 5 sites. The first lane or first trial effort is our control. So really what we're modeling here is no effort outside of what a home builder would do today. So they strip off the topsoil, compact it by running equipment around, and then put the topsoil back and then try to grow grass on that. Our second site is probably the first step in a hybrid where we've stripped off the topsoil. We've done a little bit of effort to rip the subsurface and then topsoil come back and grass on top of that. Our actually fourth site, I'm going to jump over 3. Fourth site is the next step, which that one had developer input, where trial number 4 had tillage radish on the first year of our effort, where a developer could implement tillage radish on a mass site to try to use biological decompaction efforts. And we'll see how that method impacts the home builder site. So really nothing different from B on 2 than what would have been on 4, other than the year prior we had something different. The 5th lane is the one right behind me. That one had compost applied to it. Then we rip the compost into the subsurface and we'll put topsoil back on top of that. And then the one that's kind of the most effort is C, which is being worked up right behind me, or the 3rd trial, that we've got compost first applied, and then we're going to add topsoil, and then we're going to rip everything until the hybrid mix, the 2-inch mix, into the subsurface, and then apply the hydroseeding mix at the end of the day. So we've got 5 different methods. We hope to have some sound analysis at the end to figure out what's the best financial method, what's the best functional method, and what different efforts can we employ to satisfy the Iowa Stormwater Manual decompaction efforts.